So welcome back to Forge TV. We're having another chat today about products, how to get the best from all of your Forge accessories on your car. And we're talking about dump valves and why do you need to buy a dump valve when the factory have already fitted one? And if it's good enough for the factory to fit, surely you don't need to swap it. But like a lot of things on your car, they're built down to a price rather than up to a quality. And if you look at the factory dump valve, this is one that's very common if you're a Volkswagen enthusiast. You can see how they're made. The first problem you've got is the body is made of plastic for cost. Then if you look inside, now this hasn't actually split, we've actually cut this so you can see inside, although you do find when these get old, they get hot, they heat cycle, they get brittle, these can crack and fall to bits, so that does happen. Now inside you've got a spring, that's non-adjustable, so it's all right for a standard car when it's brand new, but if you tune your vehicle, get a higher boost pressure, that may not be able to cope. Then you've got your diaphragm. The problem with diaphragm in a dump valve application is the fact that they can split, particularly if you're running a higher boost pressure, and again, it's going to leak boost, it's not going to work properly. So let's compare and contrast to this. This is the Forge valve. Now the nice thing is, as you can see, they're exactly the same shape. The Forge is a little bigger, but all the pickups are exactly the same. So that will go exactly in the same place that the factory valve went. If you look inside, it's a bit more sophisticated. It's all made of alloy, of course, so it's much better at handling heat. It'll last much longer. The spring, the first bit, that's fully adjustable. It comes with the right one for a standard car. There's a whole tuning pack available, so if you want to uprate yours, run a higher boost pressure, that's all possible. But this is the real difference. You can see the difference in the quality. If you look inside, so first of all, it's an alloy piston, and then you can see there, not only is it very nicely greased, you've got these rubber O-rings that actually get a perfect gas seal. So not only will that cope with far more than the factory unit will, it'll actually work much better under any circumstance. So that's where your money goes. So then if you look at this type of valve, this is the more modern solenoid activated type. This is in a lot of cars now. Now these used to be diaphragm, but the manufacturers got wise. Even they know that piston activation is best now. So these now come as a piston type. The problem you've got is, this is still a thermoplastic, an ABS plastic, still has the same problems as all of these old-fashioned valves. Heat cycling, they get brittle. Then when you look inside, the piston itself and the chamber, that's also plastic on plastic. It's very hard to get an airtight seal that lasts. The other problem you've got is the spring inside is quite weak. So on a higher boost car, that can actually fold the spring flat, hold it open, and you may then get a permanent boost leak. So you've got a lot of things, as the valve gets older, or as your car gets better performance, this may not be for you. Now on the Forge valve, same story again, it's going to fit exactly in the OE point, and on these solenoid activated valves, the kit contains everything you need. It's just plug and play, wire it up, straight into the ECU, the car's as happy as Larry. If you unscrew this, again, the lovely thing about this, totally serviceable, everything inside is replaceable, everything inside is adjustable. So if you're running more boost pressure, if you keep the car for a while, develop it as a tuner car, you need to change what's in here, it's all doable. So again, same thing inside, you've got lovely adjustable, rebuildable spring, and then you've got this piston activation. And again, look at the quality, the difference in the fit and finish. Again, O-ring seals inside if you have a look. So that's perfectly gas tight, forever, rebuildable, serviceable. So they do cost a bit more than a standard valve, but as you can see, worth every penny. So if there's anything you want explaining in the Forge range, drop us a line, send us a DM, hit us up on social, and we'll do all this for you.